Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by chilling tools and ingredients because cold equipment helps cream aerate faster and hold peaks. Once chilled, pour 250 g heavy cream into the cold bowl, add 2 tablespoons sugar and 1 tsp vanilla. Start whisking at medium speed. You want soft peaks, not butter, watch texture. While you whisk, lightly flatten 8 bread slices with a rolling pin so they absorb filling evenly. Make sure to keep everything cold. This prevents runny filling and speeds assembly. Once you reach soft to medium peaks, stop and taste. Sweetness balances bread. You then fold in any add-ins gently, 50 g mashed fruit or 1 tablespoon jam, so air stays in the cream while flavor distributes. Make sure to transfer filling to a piping bag or use a spatula for even control. You should spread about 25-30 g of filling per slice, keeping edges clear to avoid overflow. As you assemble pairs, press lightly to bond layers without squeezing out the cream. You finish by placing assembled sandwiches on a tray and chilling them 20-30 minutes so filling firms and slices settle. Once set, trim edges for a clean look and dust with a little icing sugar or cocoa. This enhances texture and appearance. If the filling seems too soft or bread soggy, make sure to refrigerate longer or carefully toast slices for 30-60 seconds and reassemble to restore structure. Finally, slice and serve chilled so the cream stays stable and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.